Assalamu alaikum. This is Discrete Homotopy Theory lecture series. So today I will explain some definitions. So first of all, I will explain right lifting property. Okay. Discrete Homotopy Theory. Discrete Homotopy Theory. I will explain the definition of right lifting property. Okay. I will explain right lifting property. Okay. So what is the definition of right lifting property? So let's start the definition of right lifting property. So let C be any category. Let C be any category. C be any category. As we know the definition of category in previous lectures. A morphism. A morphism P from C to D. Okay. A morphism in category C from C object to D object as a right lifting property, as the right lifting property RLP against a morphism I from A to B if for every commutative for every commutative square of form. What type of square? Let's say P is a morphism from C to D and I is a morphism from A object to B. And there is a morphism U from A to C and there is a morphism V from B to D. Okay. So there exists a morphism. What type of morphism? There exists a morphism H from B to C. Means from here to here. There exists a morphism H called a lift. We can say H is a lift called a lift such that the following diagram commute. Which diagram? This diagram. A morphism P from C to D and a morphism I from A to B. Okay, there is a morphism U from A to C and there is a morphism V to B to C, B to D, and there exists a morphism H from B to C. Means we can say P of H is equal to V and I of H is equal to U. So commute this diagram. So we can say this is the right lifting property. Furthermore, furthermore, if the left edge from B to C, if the left edge from B to C is unique, wow, this is great. If the left B to C is unique, then we say then we say P has the unique right lifting property against I. Okay, so this is the definition of right lifting property. Again, I have explained there is a category C, any category C, there is a morphism P from C to D. Okay, and there also a morphism A to B I. So P has a right lifting property against I if such type of square is formed, and if there exists a morphism H from B to C and the diagram commute, so we can say that P has a right lifting property against this morphism I, and if H is unique, so we can say that H has a unique right lifting property against I, means the diagram should be commute, means P compose H is equal to B and I compose H is equal to U. Okay, so this is the right lifting property definition. So let's end this video and I will explain next topic in next video. Allah Hafiz.